we've got this bathroom all floated, and as you noticed, I floated the entire ceiling and walls, except for the spots down here at the bottom where our tile is going to come to about right here, or right about here, and so really there's no need for that. I do a lot of floating there anyway, but just get rid of mud. Anyway, these walls right here, these walls right here are already textured once before, so I kind of smoothed them down a bit, and we're going to spray right over that, so it should come out pretty clean. We had a lot of floating on this wall because we were tying into the existing sheetrock. And probably the next time I do it, I'll probably just take that sheetrock all the way back to the corner, and that just makes the floating a little easier. It's not so time consuming. And anyway, we got the doors taped off, and the shower is going to have curtain in it, so we're not going to worry about doing the inside of the shower. And we're going to start right over here in just a minute. And so we're going to get started. We're fixing to go ahead and put our mud in our hopper and get started. So here we go. Okay, we got the texture blown. Now what we want to do is we want to take our cone light here and go along and look before we put everything up and make sure that we've got good texture surface, no shallow spots. You can see right there, see these corners, everything looks pretty good. Over here.
I'm going to go up here because it's hard to see the texture. There we go.
All right. And then across the ceiling. Take a good look at it and make sure that it's consistent. You know? That look pretty good to you?
Looks great.
Alright, that's good. Same thing with the walls, you just take your light here. Light will show all the imperfections, but you do that before you do the texture. Make sure your wall is smooth. And then the texturing is just being consistent with your handling of your hopper and stuff. And so that looks pretty good right there. I'm pretty happy with that. Walls look pretty smooth. Yeah. Ceiling's really nice. Yeah. A little heavy in that one spot right there. And that's why I was going to my left and I couldn't see where I was shooting. Anyway, I can live with that one. I mean, you know, it's texture. It's going to be, I think I'm going to put a little bit more on that wall right there. See it right there? Not quite enough texture. I don't see enough. This in here, that looks good right there. See it? I need a little bit more right there. John, if you'll let me the hopper one more time. We'll get that last little bit, we'll finish it up right here. Yep. Okay. We're going to shoot that right there, and we're going to call it done.